Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
1 point for Mommy and 1 point for Ryan. First to 3.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
So we are done with New York. We're about to go to the airport, and Ryan has something to show you guys. A bunny. Ah, you guys see his wacky, crazy eyes? Wow, wow. That's so funny. Ah. So in the back of the bunny, you put your hand in, and then its eyes just move.
When you move that way, it goes that way.
Gotcha. So you guys see how the eyes just move crazy? Crazy, woo! So Ryan's just spinning around. Ah! So Ryan's gonna sit here. I'm gonna see if I can push him. Woohoo! How does it feel to be pushed?
Fun. Don't let me go. I like fun.
Woo-wee. I'm letting it go. Ah! All right, we're finally at the airport. Are you ready to go home and see your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I want to go home.
All right, now we're boarding the plane. Woo, Ryan's running super fast. E&F, Ryan, over here. This is us. There you go. All right, Ryan sits with Mommy.
We kind of have like 2 windows.
Oh, what kind of view do we get out here?
Oh.
Oh, people's
This
putting
is
our
the
luggage.
best view ever.
All right, Ryan, are you ready? So, Mommy and Ryan are gonna play paper, scissors, rock.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors. The winner gets this Pikmi Pop with the surprise toys inside. And do you know what the loser gets?
Yes.
Loser gets Sour Warhead Extreme. And this one right here, it is super sour power candy. So it'll like pop in your mouth. Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoe.
Uh-oh.
Shoe means pick.
Okay, so we'll say shoe. All right, so Ryan has 1 point. So you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
No.
1 point for Mommy and 1 point for Ryan. First to 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Ooh, it's a tie.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
No. 2 points for Mommy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so 2 points.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome aboard United
2
Flight
points for
1926.
Ryan. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I have food in my hand,
I
guys.
saw how to paper and Ryan has a scissor. So what does that mean?
Mommy gets sour sandwich.
Mommy lost, so I'm gonna try this. So Ryan wants me to try this green sour candy. All right, are you ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
So Ryan gets to open that and Mommy gets the sour.
Oh, wait.
So after that, oh, it is sour. Ooh, it's so sour. After the sour, it becomes sweet. So
Kind of like 25 seconds.
yeah, so that's good now. Yay! Oh no, but I'm not done. Why am I not done? Have you guys had that before? Okay, so Mommy have never tried this before. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, look, it's like little rock candy. Have you ever had this before? No, me neither. It pops in your mouth. Like pop, 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 pop.
Is it sour too?
It's sour too. There it is. Do you guys hear the popping sound?
What's on here?
Do you hear the popping sound?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ryan's gonna open it up.
Let's open it.
What did we get?
Oh, so many.
So many.
What?
Alright, let's see what's inside those. There's so many bags.
Look up this one. That's really rare.
Oh, so that's what we got. That's super cute.
Oh, you want to clean it? Maybe on the way back.
It smells good.
What is this one? Oh, you're super cute. You're like the mommy And then you're like the baby.
And then this is like the daddy.
Oh, that's a cute daddy. Hey, can I have some orange juice, Ryan?
No.
Oh, Diet Coke. Can I have some Diet Coke?
Yes.
Ooh. Yum, 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 yum.
There's one more, guys, and there's nothing.
Nothing inside you, trickster.
Knock, knock.
Oh, who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow. Oh, definitely interrupting me. And there's actually 2 more. So inside this has stickers. I'm gonna put some stickers on Ryan's hand. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, Ryan, this is nails. Oh, look, this is nail. Oh, I'm gonna put it on my hand. Peel a sticker and then just put it on Ryan. Peel a sticker and then just put it on Ryan. What you think?
We got this one.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, look. So Ryan thinks this is this one. Is it the same, you guys? Hey, is that a sticker of me? That's so cool. But this one's gonna go on my nails. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can put it on my nails, which I have none. Alright. Except Mommy's finger is too fat. So there you go, my nails. Hey Ryan, Mommy wants a revenge on rock, paper, scissors. Okay? Winners gets Transformers. Are you ready? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! What do we get?
We got the main character.
Wait, Bumblebee?
No.
Optimus Prime?
Yeah.
Let me see Optimus Prime. Oh, that's not Optimus Prime. What is that? Here's all the characters you can collect.
But oh, now I know his name.
What?
I only know 2 parts of his name though.
Okay, so this is who we got. So I think we got Steeljaw. All right, Ryan. I hope you have a good flight, okay?
Oh.
I hope you have a good flight.
It's weird that your eyes are looking weird.
Ooh. Hey, it's my first time on the plane. All right, we are moving. You guys see we're moving? Aww.
I feel like he's real.
He's real.
He looks bad.
Huh?
He looks bad. What have he
Hi.
even eaten?
So Ryan's drawing. Wow, what's he drawing there?
Service exportation.
Evil
Do
me.
not use the app exits unless advised by
I'm
a crew member.
evil.
You'll also find
So this is what Ryan's drawing. That's pretty good, Ryan.
All Evan did is the face.
Oh yeah, you did the rest?
And I did the hand too.
Oh nice. Alright, we are leaving.
For international destinations.
Alright guys. We're off the ground. Woo. Oh wow. Look at all the small cities. Alright, so we made it back. Now, are you ready to go see the twins? Yeah? You ready to go see?
Miss Emma and Kate.
Oh, me too. All right, let's go home. We gotta hurry. Ah! All right, so we're home. Let's see if they noticed. Emma, Kate. Oh, hi. Oh.
I missed you so much.
Oh, there's the other one, just kind of doing her own thing. Oh, hi. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. I miss you girls. How are you? Oh, she said yeah. Oh, she gave Ryan a hug. How cute. I missed you, Emma. She's running around. And Ryan's tired, huh? You tired? All right, let's go to bed, okay? Thank you for watching, you guys. We're all gonna go to bed. All right, you wanna say goodbye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.